Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Mary Rose Eden Montejo Magtagad. I'm 41 years old. I live in Manukan, Zamboanga del Norte, and I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I do have children, ages 15 years old and 13 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, and I am the eldest.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I finished my high school.
Why did you not go to college?
It's because of financial problem.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I worked 9 years in Singapore for 3 families.
And your duties are?
My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing clothes, marketing, and taking care of the baby, and car washing.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking person and a trusted one.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have any tattoos, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am, I do cesarean section way back 2008.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to save money for my children when they go college.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
Now, ma'am.
Now give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
If they're acting up, I will talk to them calmly.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my dear future employer, I promise you, if you will hire me, I will be a hardworking and trusted and can do a multitasking. And if you have children, I promise you that I will love them as my own. And I promise you also that I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.